Today, we will learn 5 simple conversations in the pharmacy. Listen slowly, repeat, and answer the questions at the end of each dialogue. Hello, I need something for a headache.
Sure. How strong is the pain?
It's not very strong, but it comes and goes.
Okay, these tablets should help. Take one every 6 hours.
Do they cause sleepiness?
No, they are safe to take during the day.
How much is it?
It's $5 for one pack.
Answer the question and leave your answer in the comments. How often should the tablets be taken? A. Every 6 hours. B. Every 12 hours. Excuse me, do you have cough syrup?
Yes, is it for an adult or a child?
For an adult.
Okay, take 2 spoons 3 times a day.
Should I take it before or after meals?
After meals is better.
Got it. How much is it?
It's $12 for one bottle.
Answer the question and leave your answer in the comments. When should the cough syrup be taken? A. Before meals. B. After meals. Hello, I need a bandage, please.
What size would you like? Small or large?
I'm not sure. It's for my hand.
Then a small one should be fine.
Okay, I'll take 2, please. How much are they?
$3 each, so $6 for 2.
Answer the question and leave your answer in the comments. What size of bandage did the pharmacist recommend? A. Small. B. Large. Hi. Do you have a cream for muscle pain?
Yes, do you want a cooling gel or a heating cream?
What's the difference?
Cooling gel reduces swelling. Heating cream relaxes muscles.
I'll take the heating cream, please. How much is it?
It's $15 for one tube.
Answer the question and leave your answer in the comments. Which cream did the customer choose? A. Cooling gel. B. Heating cream. Good morning. I need something for allergies.
What symptoms do you have?
My nose is runny and my eyes are itchy.
I recommend these antihistamine tablets.
Do they make you sleepy?
Some people feel drowsy, so take them in the evening.
Okay, how much is it?
$8 for one pack.
Answer the question and leave your answer in the comments. When is it better to take the antihistamine tablets? A. In the morning. B. In the evening.